starting with the glorious and compassionate name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Dear students, in our today's lecture we are going to discuss one of the important topics, that is applications. So before attempting today's lecture, before going through today's lecture, I would like to tell you some points about applications. First of all is you need to write the question with blue marker. Underline that with pencil. As well as for writing an application, first of all, the starting part, the salutation, that is, you need to mention all the necessary details on the top of your page to the left side. The principal, T of the and P of principal you are supposed to write in capital letters, whereas you need to put a comma. Right under that one point you need to write the name of the school. So you are not supposed to mention the name of your school because you are practicing it for attempting the board papers. So in the board papers you are not going to mention your own school's name. So you need to mention Government High School. G of government, high of H, and S of school will be made capital. It will be written in capital letters. Again you need to put a comma. In the next line, near to the margin line, in the same way, you need to mention the name of the city. So it's better not to mention your own city, just mention in capital alphabets ABC. Clear? After that, leave one line empty, and you need to give the heading with blue marker, that is subject. Clear? Here you need to put a colon, and after that you need to write down the subject of the application. For example, the question is write an application to the principal for the remission of fine. So what are you writing it for? Request for remission of fine. Now the most important thing, for writing the subject, you need to capitalize the first letters of all the words except of articles and prepositions. Clear? For example, request, R of request, R of remission, and F of fine, you need to make them capital, whereas the two are the prepositions, so you're not supposed to write their first letter in capitals. Clear? In block form. Clear? Then again you need to underline the subject. That is also very necessary. Then leave one line empty and again mention respected sir or respected madam, and then put a comma. Again you need to give a space. Again you need to leave an empty line, and again near to the margin line, all the starting details you are supposed to mention, all the details you are supposed to start with near to the margin line. Clear? Then start the introductory part. If it is needed, then start the main body with due respect and related details. Clear? Then after clarifying your point, after clearly mentioning the point, you need to mention the reason, you need to come towards the main purpose. Clear? That is mentioned here. We'll discuss it when we are writing it, inshallah. Then thanking you. After that, yours obediently, your name, so no need to mention your name. Again the date. Clear? Now let us start writing it. The question is write an application to the principal for the remission of fine. So let's take the start. The principal, comma, Government High School, comma, ABC city, full stop. Leave one line empty, then subject colon request for remission of fine. Write the R of request, R of remission and F of fine in block letters, capital. Clear? Then leave one line empty, again respected sir or respected madam. Again you need to leave one line empty. With due respect, it is stated that I have been fined rupees 500 for not attending the classes regularly. Alright, why are you writing it? You are writing it for remission of fine, कि आप पर जो जुर्माना लगाया गया है उसकी माफ़ी के लिए आप दरख्वास्त लिख रहे हैं. क्लियर? सो विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट इट स्टेटेड, मुद्दबाना गुजारिश है कि मुझ पर 500 रुपये का जुर्माना लगा दिया गया है. वाई? क्यों? फॉर नॉट अटेंडिंग द क्लासेस रेगुलरली, बाकायदगी से स्कूल ना आने की वजह से. आई कुड नॉट अटेंड द क्लास द स्कूल फॉर 2 वीक्स, मैं 2 हफ्ते के लिए स्कूल ना आ सका या ना आ सकी. बिकॉज आई हैड बिन सफरिंग फ्रॉम मलेरिया, क्योंकि मुझे मलेरिया था. द डॉक्टर हैड एडवाइज्ड मी. क्लियर? द डॉक्टर हैड एडवाइज्ड मी. One is advice, ADVICE, that one is the noun and this one is the verb over here. Clear? The doctor had advised me for full bed rest. डॉक्टर ने मुझे मुकम्मल आराम की तलकीन फरमाई थी. My house is far away from this city, मेरा घर शहर से बहुत दूर है. And there was no one to carry my application to school, और कोई भी घर पे नहीं था जो मेरी दरख्वास्त यहाँ स्कूल ला सकता था. सो बस आई कुड नॉट सेंड एनी एप्लीकेशन और मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट इन टाइम. बस मैं किसी भी किस्म की दरख्वास्त या अपना मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट या चीटी आप लोग के पास वक्त पर या बर वक्त न पहुँचा सका. क्लियर? देन Therefore, इसलिए यू आर काइंडली रिक्वेस्टेड टू रिमिट माई फाइन, आपसे दरख्वास्त की जाती है कि मुझ पर लगाया गया जुर्माना माफ़ किया जाए. क्लियर? देन थैंकिंग यू, yours obediently, your name and the date. Clear? This is the end of our today's lecture. You need to write it neatly in your notebook of English B. Clear? And your today's homework is to learn and write the application. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.